What's up, everybody? Welcome back out to the shop. Behind me is Dad's 1070. We got it into the shop here. This heater cord is bad, so Dad's got a new end for it. It's nice and dreary outside, so been busy hunting this past 2 weeks here, so haven't had a lot of time to work in the shop or anything. Dad has done a little bit of work, but it's mostly because the van is in here and gonna need the windshield replaced in it, because Dad had the unfortunate thing of hitting a deer beginning of November, so this has been sitting in here. I've had a fight with the insurance, so it's been a banter back and forth on that, so finally got all that resolved, and now trying to get things back together on this, hopefully. So it is what it is. New radiator, and got a different headlight assembly. He's done a lot of redneck body shop here. We've hooked a chain to it with the 1070 and tried to pull on different things here and made it look a lot better than what it was. But it is a to B van, gets you from point A to point B, and yeah, so anyways, not much going on here today. Gonna replace that end, and hopefully we can have some heat in this when we need it. So
it's engine block heater.
Yeah.
Did you say that? I don't know. Yep. Metal's ground.
And it probably don't matter which is which. With it being an
That's what I was
element.
thinking. Metal's ground.
With it being an element, it don't matter which side is what. So the idea here is, this is seeing a lot of weather, so we're gonna put heat shrink on it to protect it furthermore.
Let's try to slide it on there. How to do it? Of course, I ain't gonna want it clear to the end, I guess.
No.
Maybe it's not a good idea to have it wrapped in behind that and right there close to the block either. I don't know. I think it's been that way for years, though. Huh, it keeps getting tighter and tighter. Trying to get it all on here. Alright. I think I need to get me a piece to deal with, not the whole thing. Probably around there.
Probably.
Because I gotta have some length to get. Have to have some length of that to get it into the new end.
Mm-hmm.
Colder weather's coming, and the engine block heater is crucial then.
Yes.
With it sitting outside. Get it slid on there far enough I can get a hold of the other end, but that would be helpful. Get it out of there. Yeah, this spot right up in there don't feel real great either. So quits working again, and it'll probably be an issue up in there.
Probably. At that point, Elmer's got new ones, but I don't know what it involved to replace it or put a new one in.
It comes right out of that. The ground comes right out of that part real easy.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So bring cord over here and make sure it's, usually you can hear it. Get your ear in there pretty close. Give it a little time and then you can hear it.
I assume it's working.
I don't think it is. A cold day, we'll find out, I guess, for sure.
Mm-hmm.
Like I said, they just had the thing running. So.
All right, well, that gets it buttoned up here. We'll see if that actually works here on a colder day with us driving, with Dad driving it down here from up at the house up there. Well, motor's warm. One thing is, a couple of videos ago, I don't know if we ever got it mentioned, but I know I didn't ever get it showed, but Bale mover is showing some fatigue. Most likely got bent when hauling hay around with the hay trailer with the fifth wheel there.
My addition to a
Yeah.
one mover.
So Dad fixed that a couple of years ago. Sure, it was on the channel not long after you got it made. So it's come in very handy. The next Bale mover, which will have two of these points, hopefully eventually here, will have the same kind of setup to it, but it'll be a box design and be for category 2. But this mover is kind of nice just because it's easy to throw onto the back of a tractor and fairly light. The next one won't be near as easy to do, so yeah. Anyways, got this to work on at some point, so probably won't be today, so because that got 3 bales of hay to feed here today. All right, everybody, here is the end of the video. I do apologize that I didn't get an actual ending of what we're doing there. We got a project started here. My dad's been working on that. We are gonna start working on his idea for a bale mover where it has 2 points. So what we were talking about there towards one of the last clips is what we're gonna go with here. I am leaving here this weekend, so I don't know exactly what he'll get done here or whether it'll make a video here. If not, I got something else that I can fall back onto, but heading to another state for Christmas and be back after the Christmas holiday here and be back around, and hopefully we'll get back to regular content at that point. So anyways, hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, we'll catch you all on the next one.